Hi guys,
Hi guys, it's me Ellie. Today I learned about vowel and consonant letters and, and how to use the articles a and an. Now join me as I take a quiz to see how much I've learned. Which article should you put before the word island?
Island
Island
starts with
starts with letter I,
in Thai
and I
is
is vowel. Is a vowel. So my answer is an. What
one
is the next? Oh, there you go. Choose the correct article for the word jacket.
jacket
Jacket is
starts with
start with letter J.
J
J is is consonant
is a
is a consonant. So my answer is ah. That's right. That's right. That's right. Fill in the blank. I see a blank eagle in the sky.
eagle is
Eagle
starts
starts with letter E.
in E
And E is a vowel. So my answer is an. That's right. That's right. That's well, which is letter is not a consonant. Not consonant. Z no, X no, B no. That's right. Wait, vowel. It's not.
yes.
It's not consonant.
If it's not consonant, it's a
Vowel.
vowel.
True or false? We say an. Wait, an. Dalawa, two. Dalawa na lang.
We
Sorry,
say
but
an ant. Oh, ant is starts with
letter A. Letter A. And letter A is a vowel letter. So my answer is
ant. Is that true or false? Correct or wrong?
no. Ito na lang kulang.
Mm.
Fill in the blank. I want to eat blank apple. So apple starts with letter A. So letter A and letter A is a vowel letter. So my answer is apple. Apple. Oh my gosh, that's right. A correct phrase. And box and shoe A shoe. A umbrella. Mm,
You need to check, anak, ha, if they start with a vowel or a consonant. Is box starts with a vowel or a consonant?
a consonant.
If it's consonant, what do you use? A or an?
A.
Is this correct?
No.
Okay. Issue starts with letter
S
and S is
is a consonant.
if it's a consonant, it starts with letter with an article what?
A.
Is that correct?
No.
Okay.
A shoe.
A shoe. So S is, starts with letter S and S is a
Consonant.
union. The article starts with okay. Is that correct?
Yes.
Your score is, sabi niya, you read it.
You did it. Quiz complete.
Score,
17 out of 20.
accuracy,
What? 85%.
good job, Ellie. Okay, so gagawin natin guys. Now, I'm done guys.
Now I'm done, guys. Bye-bye. That's so impossible, guys. That's 3